Hi, I have already spoken about the Wealthy Affiliate, an organisation based in Canada that teaches you how to be an affiliate, an online affiliate, or indeed to trade on the internet in any activity that's available. Now, if you have seen my speaking about these people before anywhere, and you have not taken any action, yet you are the type of person that wants to improve your expertise on the internet, then you must be, I don't know, pretty dim, because this is an organisation that teaches you free of charge. There's no charge. There's nothing to claim back, nothing to lose. What they do is very clever, because you get lots of firms advertising to teach you how to trade on the internet, and then when you put your money forward, they grab it and then they give you some pre-recorded stuff that they have, which is a lot of rubbish that they use over and over and over again, which by the time it gets to you, it's ancient. The Wealthy Affiliate has been established now for 11 years. Like I say, it's in Canada. It's recognised by the Canadian government even. They're so good. 11 years old, 2 million plus members. All these members, by the way, can talk to each other on the internet. So if you have any questions, you can just put it out there, and everybody's jumping up and down with their hand in the air wanting to give you an answer, a remedy for your problem. They show you how to create your niche being the style of website that you should develop depending upon what you want to sell with your website. They'll help you to get yourselves a domain name, what you call your niche. They help you develop your website, make your website, and then they teach you a little bit more. And by the time you've reached a certain level, you know what it's all about. You would know exactly what you're getting yourself into. You know the cost. It's about $1 a day. You know the cost. And you know what you're getting for your $1 a day. Or you don't need to go into it if you don't want to. There's no obligation, no conditions, none at all. So, it's going to cost you nothing to go and try it. Not a penny. So if you're a person who wants to learn to trade on the internet, and you're listening to me now telling you where you can go and get some education free of charge, and you don't do it, then you're an idiot. Sorry, but it's fact. If that little word, you want to learn and you're ignoring my advice, which will cost you nothing, then you have to be. So, anyway, there you are. My name's Tommy Stewart, by the way, spelled Stuart. If you want to get in touch with me, all you have to do is put TommyStewart.com into the internet. Would you believe and it picks me up? Or email me, Tommy@TommyStewart.com. Anyway, that's it for me. If I can be of help to you, it will be my pleasure. Because I like meeting people and helping them out. I'm Scottish, by the way. And there you are. I hope to hear from you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.